Hey, Ken Montoya here, and today I'm going to talk to you about the one thing that home business owners want more than anything else. Alright, here's what you're going to get in this video. My quickest, easiest way to generate traffic to your website or offer, and what you need to have in place before you get that traffic. But first, let's go over where this video training is coming from. It's actually from some survey results. I sent a survey out to my list a while back, and here were the questions. How long have you been in a home business? How much money are you currently making? If you're in a home business, what is the one thing that if you could learn from me would help you the most? What is your biggest fear about your home business? What is your biggest reason for being in a home business? And what is your income goal? Alright, the results. How long, everything from less than 6 months to over 3 years, and I expected that. Here's what I didn't expect. How much people were making in their home business. 100% of the people that responded were all less than $100 a month. That just blew me away. And the one thing, and this is actually what I was after, was because I wanted to do a training for my list, what one thing I could help you with. About 70% of the people responded traffic. They wanted more people to look at their offer. And 30% were conversions. So once you get that traffic, how do you make them buy, basically? So what can we learn from that? Basically, very few people statistically make money in a home business. Traffic is almost always the one thing that people want to learn. And a lot of people would be really happy just to make an extra $100 to $500 a month. That was a little surprising to me as well. So why is it that so few people make money in home business? Plain and simple, most people simply don't put in the work. It's a lottery mentality. People think that if they just join, they're going to make money for doing nothing, and it's just not true. Home business is a business. It's not a hobby. If you treat it like a hobby, you're never going to make any money at it, or you might make a little, but not the kind of money you're after. The other thing is, not everybody's good at selling, at least in the beginning, and most people quit before they get good. Again, the lottery mentality. And top earners, people that are making $100,000 a month or whatever it is they're making, lots and lots of money, they all just stuck with it until it worked. They didn't quit. Traffic and conversions. Traffic is actually easy. It just requires a lot of time or money. Conversions are completely dependent on where the traffic comes from. All right, let's talk traffic. Generally, there's two types of traffic. There's free traffic and there's paid traffic. Free traffic. Free traffic actually really is never free. It requires a lot of your time, and your time should be worth something. It's a business. My time's worth something, your time's worth something. There are a lot of tools that help get you free traffic, but they cost money too. With that being said, let's take a look at a couple of these quote-unquote free methods. Basically, blogging, video marketing, social media, belly-to-belly, which is basically face-to-face talking with people. Friends and family, referrals is always a good thing. And the two that suck the most are real estate signs and phone books. Don't even try those tactics. They're horrible. Blogging is my personal favorite, and here's why. Each blog post is basically like a billboard or a sign for your business, and it's out there working for you all the time. It's not a quick strategy, but it's a great long-term strategy, and every top earner I know has a blog. Make sure you always have a strong call to action. Tell people what you want them to do at the end of your blog. Video marketing. It allows people to get to know you faster. It works great in conjunction with a blog. And people just watch a lot of videos. I mean, everybody's on YouTube all day long. As with a blog, at the end of your video, have a strong call to action. Tell people what you want them to do next. Alright, paid traffic. Here's why I like paid traffic. It's fast. You can have traffic on demand. You can get as much as you can afford to get. I'll caution you, test small. Don't blow your entire ad budget on a great idea that you have, because you know what, if it doesn't work, you're out your entire ad budget. Ask me how I know this. So you're going to test, you're going to tweak the stuff that's not working, and you're going to scale up on the stuff that is working. A few examples: you can have pay-per-click, Facebook pay-per-click, cost per view, which is the little things that pop up over the stuff. Banner ads, you see those on every website you go to that somebody's advertising something. Traffic brokers are awesome, and solo ads. The quickest and easiest, in my opinion, for somebody who's just truly brand new and doesn't want to get into traffic brokers, is going to be solo ads. You don't need to be good at writing ad copy, because most of the solo providers are going to use their own anyway, because they know their list and what their list responds to. All you need is a capture page, an offer, and an email follow-up service. Before you buy traffic, it's going to be cold traffic, and they're not going to know who you are, and they're going to have to get to know you before they buy from you. Something that helps is to have a really high converting offer and good follow-up. People aren't going to buy the very first time they see your offer. It's going to take you following up with them using email or something else over and over and over again before they buy. But here's the thing, because they don't know who you are, they're going to search for you on the internet when you start sending them emails. You'd better exist. That brings us back to the blog. No matter what method of traffic you choose, a blog is going to be your best friend when you're marketing online. It's going to be your hub or your home on the internet. Now here's the deal. You can either self-host your own blog or you can use a service. But you got to bear in mind, not all services, in fact very few, will allow you to market on their blogs. Here's some quick ninja tricks. These are to drive more traffic to your blog. Every time you do a blog post, make sure that you use tools like OnlyWire or Hootsuite to share it on social media. There's others, but those are the two that I use. You can use them to share your posts on Facebook, Google+, Twitter, StumbleUpon, you name it. There's hundreds of places. Every time you do that, you're putting more eyeballs on your content. Here's a couple more ninja tricks. You can actually drive traffic to your blog posts, your really good ones, using paid traffic. You can do that with Facebook, pay-per-click, regular pay-per-click, or banners. Alright, so now let's get you blogging. You will get your best results if you blog every single day, but that's really not realistic, is it? Most people can come up with 3 blog posts a week though. Now you can either go self-host a WordPress blog, or you can use Odesk or Elance to help somebody build it for you, because it takes time. It took me like weeks to build my first blog. Or you can get an Empower Network viral blog. It's already set up for you. It utilizes proven sales psychology that's already in it. You're going to get access to my team's private training site, and you get to choose if you want to resell the blog platform for another income stream if you want to. You don't have to, but you can. And you're going to get access to some of the best marketing training you can get on the internet if you want it. All you need to do is click on the link right here, or the link I sent you in your email. Alright folks, I'm going to do some more training for you in the near future on traffic. This is Ken Montoya, and I'll talk to you later.